Hello, in the first video we took just the measurement and now we will apply the door into its position. So our masters just confirming the sizes. Yes. So they are bringing the material to its position, and again this is not a standard door, it is out of standard. It's larger and it is higher than standard. If you have this type of doors and windows, you should be careful what type of profile and what type of reinforcement bar you are using. You supposed to make sure that you are having good and stable material. And now we are just trying to as you see, this is very big size, so 3-4 people are working on it. Right now they are trying to arrange and level the door position. And they will use these type of big screws to have good fixing values. Okay. And also we have to be careful for leveling. Right now he is adjusting and he sees, is it in level or no? Yes, it's adjusted.
Tam ortalı olduğunu söylüyorum. Deliklerin.
Yes, now he's screaming and they are trying to fix the material as much as strong.
Burada gel.
As you see, the gap is very large, so they took the measurements and they used very good materials to have good and stable materials. After it's produced, now they are having a good installation.
Fazla sıkmadan yakalayacak. Kanadı açıyoruz. Kolu getirdin mi?
Getirdim abi. As we explained before, till the installation are done, you have to keep your protection foil on the PVC profile, because in the construction site sometimes the profile can have some damages, and right now the master just applying its handle.
Vidalarını da getirin, vidalayalım.
And he's gonna put the screw on it. In this application, we will do only door application, but the glass will be applied later.
Fazla sıkma. Var ya.
And the barrel lock, put its position.
Baraj yüksekliği yapmak. Neyse. Takılıyormuş gibi. Tekrar sıkalım. Tamam otursun. Bir de sana atalım.
And we are almost done
Merdiven.
installation, but he's just making last adjustments. As I told you before, in this video we will not apply the glass. When the glass ready, we will finalize glass application. In this video, we try to explain you a big size gap, inside open, two side fixed door with the aluminum seals. This part is aluminum seals, and these two parts are fixed parts. As you see, these parts are not opening. Only this part is opening, and it's opening inside. We are looking to the window and door now from inside. Evet Ali Bey, tamam mıyız? Right now, Mr. Ali are checking how it's working. Is there any problem or any adjustment needed? He's just controlling. It's good? Very good. So, in this video, we just basically tried to have a good, the first video, we took a good measurement. And in second video, we just applied our big size door, which is opening inside. And okay, and there is some security applications here. On the Espanolet, there is some security